Come paint a glass with me. Make a candle stand. How? Let's begin. First of all, sorry for this hoarse and rasping voice, but I have got a very severe throat infection and it was something of an effort to make this video. In the beginning of the video, you have seen a glass jar, and today I'm going to paint on it. I want to paint a trellis with rose climbers or rose flower plants on it. So I'm going to paint the base with titanium white and just painting roses, and I'm going to paint roses and leaves on it because I didn't want to cover the whole surface of glass. That's why I have chosen to do it. Actually, it was a landscape painting, but in that I had to cover it all, and I didn't want to cover the whole surface of glass, so I thought I omitted heavy foliage painting. So it's landscape painting, but just with a bit of twist in it, and I have covered the glass with masking tape because I wanted to know the place where I can paint rose flowers and leaves, but this was the purpose of the tape and nothing else. Now I'm going to remove the masking tape and paint the trellis directly with titanium white, but you know everything has got a bit of shadow, so I'm going to touch it with light gray color to make to show the shade or shadow. I'm a DIY creator and I make a lot of DIY videos and sometimes work in different fields like making ribbon flowers or making organizers. So I would say when you come on my channel, please please find the playlist, check the playlist and find the subject of your choice, choose that playlist, and you're going to see all the videos of your choice in one place. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then I would say consider clicking the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. Sorry girls and guys, today is a big effort for me to talk and make this video, but I had to do it because it's time for the video, for a new video. So please, I hope you are going to ignore my hoarse and rasping voice and you are going to ignore the sequence of my talking because you know it's really a bit painful. Here I'm using pure scarlet color and I'm going to paint exactly on the white base we had made. This time I'm painting the flowers and I'm using round brush number 3. This would also make the base of the rose. Then we are going to do shading with crimson color or dark shade of maroon, and then with pink, and that pink we are going to make with scarlet and titanium white. You're seeing a lot of tape on my fingers and thumb because I didn't want the thumbprints or fingerprints to be on glass. You know, skin has got oils and the glass surface gets oily. That's why I used masking tape. Now I had make a light, not light pink color, but I made a pink color, and for that I have added a bit of titanium white in scarlet, and I am making petals with that or shading the flower. Again brush number 3, round brush number 3. Sorry, that was crimson shade I had used before, and I'm using pink now. This looked extremely beautiful on a dinner table. When after painting it, I had put it on a table and seen its impact, and I really loved that. I'm making dark green color with lemon yellow and marine blue and a bit of scarlet plus a touch of black in it. I'm going to paint leaves with this. It's not the dark color I had decided, but after that I mixed a bit more of black in it and made it really emerald green. Or very dark green. I'm making leaves with the technique of one stroke painting. This technique really makes really beautiful rose leaves. And for the leaf painting, I'm using flat brush number 8, sometimes flat brush number 8, and sometimes I've used flat brush number 4. Firstly, we are going to paint leaves, and then I'm going to paint stems, and for stems I would use a detailed painting brush or a brush of 0 number. If you want to ask anything, comment in the comment section, and I'm going to answer your questions. Anything you want to know. See, all the roses and leaves are done. Almost all. If I had covered the whole of the surface by giving it a complete landscape painting look, then it would have turned opaque, and I didn't want something opaque. That's why I chose this technique of painting, and I loved the impact. You are gonna see how the candle and the light of that candle shines out of this jar, and it looks really lovely with that. This is done, it's complete, and to make it more permanent, I have given it a coat of varnish and oil paint. But if you want to, with spray paint or acrylic spray paint, it would have been covered the whole glass surface. So I had used um, small brushes and paint and gave a coat exactly on the surface I had painted.